Hi guys, so today we are going to do chemistry, form 4 chapter 3, SPM 2022. Okay, so there's actually two ways to do this question, but I'm going to show you a method that I prefer because it's not confusing. So, okay, fertilizer R is produced from the reaction between HX acid and ammonia gas. What is the mass of ammonia gas needed to produce 17.665 gram of fertilizer R? So this is the whole composition for fertilizer R. Now, relative atomic mass. Okay, H is 1, hydrogen is 1, nitrogen is 14, and what is X? Okay, here, X is 35.5. Okay, if you know, you know, but I memorized that Cl is equal to 35.5. So from then I know that HX acid is hydrochloric acid. So the reaction between hydrochloric acid and ammonia gas will produce NH4Cl, which is fertilizer R. Okay. So now that I have fertilizer R, I have the chemical equation, I can find the mole ratio. So the mole ratio of ammonia to the fertilizer R is equal to 1:1. So I just have to find the mole for fertilizer R, and then I can times with the molar mass for ammonia gas to get the mass. So 17.665 over the molar mass for fertilizer R, which is 14 plus 4 plus 35.5. And you will get 0.33. Okay, now for the final answer, I just take 0.33 times with the molar mass for ammonia gas, which is 14 plus 3, which is 17. And the final answer is 5.61 grams. Okay, what if you don't know the molar mass for chlorine? So there's actually another way to do this, which is by taking this percentage composition for nitrogen, and total percentage is always equal to 100%, right? So you take 26.17 over 100 times with the mass of fertilizer, 17.665, and you get the mass for nitrogen, which is equal to 4.62 gram. Okay, now, but this question, it wants ammonia gas. So we already have the mass of nitrogen. Take ammonia over nitrogen. The molar mass is equal to 17 over 14, because this hydrogen times with 3 plus with 14. Okay, now that that's clear, why do I do this? Okay, it's the same thing like how we learn about ratios. So if I take this 17 over 14 and I times with the mass of nitrogen, I would get the mass of ammonia. It's the same thing like how I took this over 100, which is a total composition, and I times it with the mass of the fertilizer. So if this is the ratio of the molar mass of ammonia gas to nitrogen, and if I times it with the mass of nitrogen, I would get the mass of ammonia gas, which is 5.62. 5.61 grams.